Hello students, continuation of previous video. Now I am doing revision on that chapter, theorems related to cyclic quadrilateral. Now what do you mean by cyclic quadrilateral? A quadrilateral means any figure bounded by 4 line segments. Clear? And cyclic quadrilateral means when that quadrilateral will be inside a circle. Inside a circle. That is a cyclic quadrilateral. We have to prove that theorem number 38. The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. What do you mean by supplementary? Supplementary means when the sum of two angles is 180 degree. Clear? So we have to prove this. So first I am drawing theorem number 38. This is also important theorem. This is the circle. This is the center. Now I am drawing a quadrilateral inside the circle. According to book, I am giving the name so that it will be easier for you. A, B, C, D. O is the center. Clear? Now we have to prove that here A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. We have to prove that opposite angles are supplementary. That means number 1 will be ABC plus ADC equals to 180 degree or 2 right angles, and number 2 BAD plus BCD equals to 180 degree or 2 right angles. Clear? These two we have to prove. Now we will join AO. O is the center. AO and OC join. Clear? Now with respect to this angle, this is the reflex angle. Clear? With respect to angle ABC, this is the reflex angle. Now from previous theorem, that means theorem number, or in class 9 you have learned. Yes, in class 9 you have learned that, or previous chapter maybe, you have learned that angle formed at the center is double of the angle formed at the circumference. Maybe in class 10 you have learned that. Angle formed at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. So with respect to angle ABC, AOE is the reflex angle. Clear? So from that point of view, we can write that reflex angle AOC equals to twice of angle ABC. And when we will take angle ABC, then this is the angle at the center. Number 2, second point AOC equals to twice of ADC. Clear? Twice of ADC. Now we will join these two. Left hand side and left hand side. AOC plus reflex AOC, and we will join right hand side. At right hand side. Right hand side we are getting twice, I am taking common, ABC plus ADC. Now angle AOC plus angle reflex angle AOC means total angle 360 degree. So its value is measurement is 360 degree equals to twice of angle ABC plus angle ADC. So ABC plus angle ADC is half of 360 degree. Now angle ABC plus ADC equals to half of 360 degree. That means 180 degree. So we have proved here that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. In the same way, by joining, if we will join this and this, here we have joined AO and CO. O is the center. Now if we join BO and OD, we can prove by same way, we can prove that BAD plus BCD equals to 180 degree. Clear? So here what we have done, at first it is given a cyclic quadrilateral. Its name is ABCD. Cyclic quadrilateral means the quadrilateral which is inside a circle. Clear? Now we have to prove that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means sum of opposite two angles will be 180 degree. Clear? Now to prove this, first I will prove that ABC plus ADC equals to 180 degree. Then I have joined AO and OC. Clear? When I have joined AO and OC, then with respect to angle ABC, this is the reflex angle. Reflex angle. From previous chapter you know that the angle formed at the center is double the angle formed at the circumference. So from that point we can write that reflex angle AOC equals to twice of angle ABC. This is the angle at the circumference. Here, second one, with respect to the angle ADC, AOC is the angle at the center. So again from that point of view we can write angle at the center, that means AOC is double of the angle at the circumference. Clear? This is number 1, this is number 2. Now I am adding number 1 and number 2. AOC plus reflex AOC, right hand side, twice of ABC plus ABC. 2 I have taken common. Now you see AOC, that means this angle AOC plus reflex this. That means we are getting total angle. Its measurement is 360 degree. So 360 equals to twice of ABC plus ADC. Now we have to prove that ABC plus ADC equals to 180. Now divide 360 by 2. 360 by 2 we are getting 180 degree. Clear? By similar way you can prove that BAD plus BCD equals to 180 degree. You will revise these two theorems properly, okay? And you will get revisional video on some problems of quadratic equation. Bye.